In this video, I'll show you how to open a long and short position on MEXC Global step by step. First, open the MEXC app or website and log in. On the main screen, go to Futures. Before trading, make sure you've moved some funds from spot to futures so you have margin available. You can do this from the transfer button inside the futures page. Next, choose your contract type, usually USDT-M Perpetual, and pick a trading pair like BTCUSDT or ETHUSDT. Then set your margin mode to cross or isolated and adjust your leverage. Keep leverage low if you're still learning, because it increases both profits and losses. Now decide whether you want to go long or short. Open a long if you think the price will go up. Open a short if you think the price will go down. Choose market for instant orders or limit if you want a specific entry price. Enter the amount, then tap open long or open short and confirm. After opening, go to the Positions tab to monitor your trade. Here you can set take profit and stop loss or tap close when you're ready to exit. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.